If your garage door opener battery backup is not charging, you're probably stuck wondering why it's not working when you need it most. So, first, always check if the battery connections are tight and clean, because loose or dirty contacts can stop the charging process dead in its tracks. Next, if those connections look fine, think about replacing the battery entirely. It might just be shot after a couple of years. You want to use the exact type of battery your opener calls for, no cheap swaps that won't hold a charge. Also, test the charger itself by plugging it into another outlet to make sure the problem isn't the power source. Don't forget to look at the garage door opener's manual to see if there's a reset or calibration step for the backup battery system. If your opener has an indicator light, use it to check if the battery is charging properly. Keep in mind that extreme temperatures can mess with battery life, so try to keep your garage moderate in temperature. Lastly, if you're still stuck, sometimes calling a pro can save you hours of frustration. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener battery backup not charging is ignoring battery maintenance. If you never check or replace the battery, it's going to fail when you need it most. Another common issue is assuming the problem is only the battery when actually the charger or wiring could be faulty. Always test those parts too. Thirdly, not following the manufacturer's instructions for battery replacement can lead to using the wrong type or installing it incorrectly, which messes everything up. For each fix, keep your battery connections clean and tight, test or replace your charger and wiring, and always use the recommended battery type and follow the instructions carefully. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also gives contractors a solid way to find new projects and grow their business without all the usual hassle.